díobh. So sa fí seo táim chun haispointíobh Conas assignment new task a dhéanamh laistigh the classroom. So reach time her nash in my inbox. So I'm back in my inbox and I can see that I've been assigned a task by a teacher. So táim chun dul go dtí Google Classroom a reach. Is féidir am dul isteach go dtí an e-fost ach táim chun haispointíobh Conas é dhéanamh an tro seo. So I can follow the email and the links in the email, but I'm just going to show you the way through the waffle. So time her nash an shot iad mar rangana go bhfuil an buinteach leis. So an shot cíim go bhfuil rud éigean le déanamh agam. So táim go dtí an anam done round. So I could see that I had something to do there. So I go to the classroom. Agus cíigh mé ar an balla go bhfuil rud éigean curtha cuam ó múnteoir. So I can see here that a teacher has sent me something. So I can follow this, or I can go to classwork. Agus cíigh mé go bhfuil sé an sin. So má brúam ar an tasc, cíigh mé go bhfuil chur ón múnteoir ann, agus táim chun view assignment. An seo cíigh mé tá Google ag tuairt cabhar do mar ríis. Okay, so má hastíanam ceiscear ar an múnteoir agus ní hastíanam go gcíobh gach aine é. So if I want to ask the teacher a question, but I don't want the rest of the class to see it, I can type something here like I don't understand it, ní higam cadtá gceist. Here, if I write something, the whole class will see it. So maybe if I want to say, oh, there's a really good link that I found helpful for this, new bhíos ag déanamh taideags tá seogama, is féidir le mé chur an seo. Ach chun é dhéanamh. Okay, so the task is here. So má brúam ar sin osclóigh sé. So sin on task. Now cíigh sibh seo just trial. So you'll see that this is actually for 4th year, but it's just a trial for the video. Chun é dhéanamh, táim chun brú ar add or create. So to do it, I'm going to add or create, and I'm going to open a doc, which is like Microsoft Word, but in Google. And once that opens, I can write on that. Okay, so I can open that and it'll open in a new tab for me. And I'm going to say seo é má obair. So sin é má freagra air. Okay, so le Google dinin sé sábháil ua bríoch. So beg na pop-up seo go lua ach stoppig siad an sin. So is féidir lom anam nua chur air, so is féidir lom má anam chur air. So an is gúil is ag an múnteoir gur lumsa é. Ach dénig sé sábháil ua bríoch. So Google's really good, it does automatic saving. It depends on your internet speed how fast that saving is, but it is really good. So if I go back here an seo, is féidir lom inis mar atá is ag Google bhfuil rud éigean scríofa agam, is féidir lom turn in a dhéanamh. So turn in agus dheoigh an múnteoir go bhfuil sé déanta agumsa. So I've now told the teacher that I have done it. Má sé go gceapam actually tastíanam níos mó a dhéanamh, is féidir lom unsubmit a dhéanamh an sin. Agus sin chun is a déanann tú task le ling assignment ar Google Classroom.